So let's talk about ClickBank and let's talk about Impact Affiliate Marketplace. So in this video, I want to talk about the differences between impact.com and clickbank.com. I'm going to talk about my experiences, what I think, and the best platform for Nigerians or Africans or people from third world countries. So we are going to try to look at the entire platforms, the advantage, their disadvantages, and all of that. If you do not know me, my name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭, and I make videos around affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and legitimate online money making opportunities. And if you are interested in those kind of videos, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you watch this video and you have any questions, you can always ask me questions in the comments section. So just in case you do not know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is a business model where you basically help companies sell their product for a commission. So let's say I sell this pen for the exact price that the company sells this pen, and this company is going to pay me, let's say 20%, 30% of the commission of 20-30% commission for the product I sell. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. And for you to do affiliate marketing, you need a marketplace or marketplaces where you can find these affiliate offers easily. And examples of these marketplaces are one, ClickBank, and then another one is impact.com or Impact Radius. So I'm making a lot of videos about Impact Radius recently because that's currently my best affiliate marketplace now. And I've done ClickBank before, and I know the kind of issues that some persons will face trying to do ClickBank, and that's why I'm making this video now. So let's talk about the differences, or let's talk about the similarities. First, this platform, both of them are affiliate marketplace. So product owners can go to these platforms and list their products, and then affiliates can come to these platforms and then affiliate for these platforms, for these products, and then earn affiliate commission. So these platforms are just third-party companies that will help a transaction between the product owner and the affiliate go smoothly. All right. So let's talk about the number one thing, access. Which of them is easier to access? This is a very simple answer, and it's Impact. And the reason is because ClickBank doesn't accept people from all parts of the world. For instance, Nigeria. ClickBank doesn't accept Nigerians. So Impact does. Impact accepts people from basically all parts of the world. So Impact accepts people from all parts of the world. You do not need a VPN. You do not need a fake profile or anything like that. So when you talk about ease of access or general acceptance, Impact is going to have that for me, and Impact wins. All right. Impact wins. So the number two thing we are going to talk about is the quantity of offers we have on both platforms. So the number of products that you can affiliate. You see, ClickBank is the most popular affiliate marketplace in the world, I think. So they have more products. So in terms of numbers, ClickBank has more products. So I'm going to give that to ClickBank. All right. So ClickBank has more products. But Impact also has a lot of products, but ClickBank is just ahead. So let's talk about the quality of this product. So the thing with ClickBank is that most persons can go to ClickBank and then list their product and people can come and affiliate it. So it's basically a marketplace for everybody. As a result, the quality of the offers there are not as good. All right. So I've read a lot of reviews about people where they complain about ClickBank and the quality of products that they buy. Some Americans say that ClickBank is a junk marketplace. All right. So quality of products, I'm going to give it to Impact because Impact is largely for brands. So Impact is a marketplace where brands go and list their products. So if you're looking for big brands like Lenovo, like iPhones, like a whole lot of big brands, then Impact is the guy. So quality of products, I'm going to give it to impact.com. So let's talk about commission. Let's talk about the commission the commission rate. So on Impact, you actually earn commission based on percentages and the order sell amount. So on ClickBank, you can earn estimated commissions, and most times it's per product, because most people on ClickBank, they just sell a particular product. But on Impact, because we are dealing with brands, and most of these brands, they have more than one product, so they use order sell amount, which means the cumulative order, the total amount, that's the percentage you are going to earn. So let's say, for instance, I affiliate for Namecheap, and Namecheap is going to give me, let's say, 20% or 30%. So if somebody goes to Namecheap and buys a domain name, buys a hosting, buys an email service, buys basically everything Namecheap sells, and then let's say cumulatively the entire purchase is, say, maybe around $500, then I'll be earning 20% of that. But on ClickBank, let's say you sell a product, of course they have bundles on ClickBank, especially for physical products or subscription product. They have bundles, which means what you earn too increases. So I'm just trying to point out the fact that on Impact, it's usually based on percentages, based also on the order sell amount. So both platforms, they have really high commissions. So this is a tie. Both of them will have high commissions. All right. So the next thing we are going to talk about is the payment method or the withdrawal method. Which one is easier to withdraw on? So they basically offer the same withdrawal method. So they offer you Payoneer, PayPal, bank withdrawal and all of that. But because ClickBank doesn't accept Nigerians, they don't allow you withdraw to Nigerian bank account. But Impact.com does, and that's another thing I like about Impact. So I have an account on Impact where they send me money directly to my Stanbic bank account in Nigeria in Naira. So I don't really have to worry about having a dollar account and all of that. Of course, it has its own disadvantage, because when they send this money, they send it using the official Naira to dollar rates, when I could actually have gotten more if I used the dollar account, or yes, if I use a dollar account. But that wasn't their mistake, that was my own mistake. But they can send money directly to your bank account, which is convenient for some persons. So because of that, I'm going to give it to Impact.com. I'm going to give it to Impact because of the convenience of withdrawing to Nigeria. All right. So the other thing we want to talk about is the trust people have for this product. I sort of talked about this already, but brands are on Impact.com. So these brands, they already have the popularity, they have the fan base, they have everything. So selling these products might not be hard, because these are not generic products, these are branded products, and brand products will always sell faster than generic products. So I would say that Impact is much better in that aspect. But popularity has its own disadvantage, and that is competition. So a lot of persons are selling iPhones. So the chances of you selling an iPhone now is going to be sort of hard, because iPhone is popular. But if you wanted to sell a new unknown product like the ones on ClickBank, it's going to be much easier for you, because not a lot of persons are aware of this product. So it's going to depend on your marketing ability and how you market, or the audience you have. So this is not a platform thing, this is an individual thing. So overall, let's talk about my overall experience for both platforms. So I did ClickBank, and what ClickBank did at some point was that they basically closed the account, and I didn't receive the money I had earned. And this is because they sort of noticed that I was not in the approved country, because I had somebody open this ClickBank account for me. So it was quite frustrating, to be frank, but that's one of the disadvantages of ClickBank. So I've gone past the stage where I go to work where they don't want me to work, and then I don't receive money. So basically for me, I do not have any business with ClickBank currently, unless of course maybe I move to an area where ClickBank is allowed. But for now, as a Nigerian in Nigeria, I do not have that energy to work and then have my money taken away from me. So ClickBank is a no for me. All right, but as you know, most people when they start off, they want to go to the popular places, ClickBank and all of that, but there are other affiliate marketplaces that accept Nigerians, and I'm going to talk about these affiliate marketplaces in details in my next video. So if you want to know these other affiliate marketplaces where you can find this kind of products, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. So overall, I would say Impact is the best affiliate marketplace when you want to pair them with ClickBank. Again, this is going to be my opinion, and this is going to be because I am enjoying more success with Impact as compared with ClickBank or to ClickBank, and also because of the kind of products I like to promote, I have more of them on Impact as compared to ClickBank. So this is basically what I think about both platforms between impact.com or ClickBank, especially for Nigerians. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have contributions, you can tell us, and I'll see you in my next video. My name is �W𝐚𝐬𝐭, and I hope that this video has been quite helpful to you. If that is the case, then subscribe and let's do this again.